Good morning, traders. This is Baghdad, Tampa, Florida, and it is freezing down here. Holy smokes. It must be about 55 degrees this morning. My boy Mulligan, the Golden, he just absolutely loves this weather. Good morning. It's December 11th. December 11th at about 8:30. You're looking at the swing machine. Are you confused with these markets? Not us. Not our private members. Why is that, you ask? Because we have the swing machine. And it does not work on moving averages. This is not something that was half baked. You know, we just didn't come up out of the ground 3 months ago and slap together some moving averages, and because that crap doesn't work. We've been trading our own money for now, well, for years and years, but we've had the swing machine, the concept, and then has been perfected over the last 15 years. Over the last 15 years. And we utilize the swing machine not just on an intraday basis, but on a daily basis as well. And we have other tools. But let's just take a look at the 1 minute this morning. Now, if you want to watch CNBC, God love you. The 1 minute Dow is long, been long for 3 minutes, and it's up $25. In fact, let's get the date up here so you can see. We don't ordinarily show the date because everything's usually the same day here, but you can see the date. So, well, how do you like that? It's now $130. That's how fast these markets move and how good our entries are. You want to take that money, you go right ahead. Here's the 3 minute. The 3 minute went long at 4:18 this morning. Got to get up early if you want to play with the U.S. Treasury. That's what time they open at 4. Saying they juice the markets. The Dow is up 1,500. The 5 minute is also up 1,500 at 420. The 1 minute Russell 3 minutes ago is up 135. That's today, 834. And then look at this. This is, the plunge protection team. Now, the markets are crooked, the markets are manipulated, we know that, but, we just chase them down. The 3 minute is up $850. When did it go long? 418. The 5 minute, now just because they're 3 and 5 minute doesn't mean they trade every 3 and 5 minutes. I mean, they could be in this for a day or so. Not likely, maybe a few hours, but it could be. We've had the 5 minute stretch for a few days. 4:20 a.m. 4:20 a.m. Elon Musk time. That's what time he starts his day. 4:20. The ES 12 minutes ago is up 262 at 826. But the real move, see the 3 minute? 3 minute, 418, 1600, 420. Doesn't that look like it's crooked, Martha? Yeah, it does. The guy just came in from the U.S. Treasury. He's got a note there. Trump says, juice the markets. And he gets his cup of coffee and he hits a switch and boom. The orders go out to Citadel and in comes the buying. Here's the NQ. Now, the NQ put an order in on the 1 minute at 824. That's up 400. How about this one here? How would this have worked? 3 minute at 418 this morning. Isn't that? It's like magic. And it's up $2,220. 5 minute 23:25 at 4:15 a.m. And you know what, folks? There is no reason to come out because they're all buying. Now, we're not going to comment about everything else that's here. We do this with everything. And, if it's not the U.S. Treasury, it's the Saudis, it's this, it's that. It's crooked, yes. It's manipulated, yes. But you need something like Swing Machine to track the money flow. Now, how do you take advantage of this? Well, a couple of ways. One, our base membership is $99 a month. 99. Is it a lot of money? Well, it's not inexpensive, but it's huge value. And it's month to month. If at the end of the month you don't have a great time, if you don't learn, you're out $99. There's no long-term contract. Our level 2, which gives you access to the swing machine to see live virtually 24/7, gives you any of our proprietary indicators and strategies, particularly if you're on TradeStation, all at no additional cost. And access to us is an additional $400. Is that a lot of money? Yes, it is. It's particularly a lot of money if you're losing, but it's month to month. But we hope and expect that you're going to extract that from the market. Let's face it, a 3-minute NQ this morning at 418 is up $2,200. That would have paid for, quite a bit, right? Now, if you're still skeptical, we do have an offer. We don't know if we're going to repeat it or not. But if you go to our webpage and look at the subscription page, we are offering something up until December 15th, and it's called the Jump Start Program. And we're big believers in trading and simulation because we think you will learn more without the pressure of real money for your first month of being with us. So what we're offering is a subsidy. If you sign up for our Jump Start, okay, you got to be a base member, so it costs you $99. 99, not 98, not 100, 99. The base membership will give you access to the level 2 and all of our indicators and strategies through March 31. So that's 3.5 months because you got to do it by December 15th. And the cost ordinarily would have been $400 a month, $1,200. We are going to discount that down to $900. Basically, it's a savings between the discount and the additional time in December, a savings of over $500. In essence, Bagger, me, I'm subsidizing your first month to trade in sim so that you'll learn. Now, yes, is it during the holidays? Yeah, no, we don't want you taking time away from your family. But there is some downtime. Let's face it, during the holidays, the market is usually, in a pretty good spirit. Great, great time to learn. So that when everyone else is making their New Year's resolutions around January 15th, you'll be coming out of sim and hopefully off and running, chomping at the bit to get on these trades. That is the idea. That is the concept. At the end of March 31st, it'll be up to you. Do you want to continue? And we hope you will. Why wouldn't you? And what we will do is we will honor, if you decide within the first 5 days to stay with us, rather than it being $400 a month for level 2, it'll just be $300. But it'll be month to month, month to month, no long-term contracts. We like it that way because you know why? We never lose anybody. Why would we? Swing Machine does a great job. This trade up here, by the way, this oil trade, that is right. We put this on last night. This is running completely by itself, and we've already been in some of these trades already. Now, we may not catch we try to catch the very bottom, actually, and the very top. It's because you can see even here, if you were taking this trade at 400, this is moderating. We're getting a little bit of selling. You might want to take your 450 and just, scoot along. Because, we're going to keep going. 20 trading days a month. 20 trading days a month. You make $200 a day. out of the billions that are made and lost. If you can make 200, that's 4 grand a month. 300, 6 grand. $400, 8 grand. $500 a day, 10,000. You actually got a new career. You'll be making a what 130 some odd grand a year. And the reality of it is too, we told our private members, well, days ago, when to expect this bounce, and we even put out a tweet yesterday, but we explained to our members, so those folks are very happy, especially the options. If you don't trade futures, we got a lot of members that trade options, and they're doing very, very well. We have other tools and other things that I just don't have enough time here on YouTube. But if you want to give me a call, I'm a real person. I'll take your phone call. The time is now. Okay, it's up to you. We can't do it for you. We can't give you confidence, but it's up to you. My phone number 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. We can give you a lot. We can teach you a lot. But, you know, as Bagger Vance says, the time is now. You can either start or you can stop. And if you're not getting it done, not everyone is meant to be a trader. We think we can help just about everybody. But, if you're losing money, it probably is the best thing to do is stop. But maybe stay with us for 3 months and trade in sim. You'll be chomping at the bit to go. Good luck, everybody. I'm Bagger Don, StockMarketCaddy.com.